Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to do a trade in Roblox. First off, press this icon, click trade. By the way, you do need Roblox Premium to trade, which is about £5 a month, or dollars, and inbound trades are they send you trades for your limited items. Outbound are the ones that you've sent, completed are the ones that are completed, and inactive are the ones that have failed. To send somebody a trade, you go to their profile. For example, let's go to Linkmon. And you have to press here. And if you do have premium, there will be an option for trading. However, on this account I do not. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it useful.